Smart work.
Once there was a man who was searching for a job. He went to a carpenter and asked for a job. He gave him an axe and told him to cut the trees. He started cutting trees. He cut more number of trees for the first day. The carpenter praised and encouraged him. Day after day, he was bringing less and less trees. His owner asked the reason, "Why are you bringing less trees?" "I must be losing my power," he said. "No. When was the last time you sharpened your axe?" "Sharpen? I had no time to sharpen my axe. I have been very busy in cutting trees." "That's the reason," said the owner. "Sometimes working hard alone is not enough to achieve success. You have to work smartly too. The man in the story is the best person for the job, but he doesn't have the right attitude to be successful in this particular task." Moral: with the right attitude, nothing is impossible in life.
Thank you for watching.